Que lo que mi gente, was good. Another day here at Dos Locos Garage. Today we have this first gen 2008 Acura TSX, and we're gonna fix the VSA light. VSA light popped on this vehicle. We checked it. It threw the code 25-1, which is the yaw sensor. Now, this is one of those things that I looked all over the internet and I could not find one video on how to repair this or how to even locate where the yaw sensor is. We looked in the engine bay. It wasn't nowhere near any type of VSA modules and none of that. So I thought it was up there because I think the second generation is somewhere up there, or if I'm not mistaken, some Hondas have it up there near the VSA module, but it wasn't there. So I had to go into the service manual. So we went into the service manual and found the location of the yaw sensor. And this is one of those, I'm gonna explain it later, but it's one of those expensive fixes. But we went to the junkyard, we got ourselves a new yaw sensor, and we're gonna exchange it. I hope this video is helpful for anybody that's going through this. I know it's one of those dilemmas that everybody goes through when you own one of these 2008 Acura TSXs. That VSA light is notorious to turn on, so here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the pesky VSA light that I'm talking about. Yes, I know I'm low on gas. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna put gas on it in it now. But this is it. The VSA light. We checked the codes, and the code that is popping up is the 25-1, which is the yaw sensor.
Here we go, mi gente. This is the code that we're talking about, 25-1. So,
yaw rate sensor failure.
Yeah.
So that's the one. It's on. The VSA light is on. We checked all the sensors, speed sensors, all that. Everything's checked out. So, tell them something, Jampu.
So we already checked the sensor, like Angel say. So every single one is working perfectly fine, and then now we're gonna proceed to replace that yaw sensor.
Hopefully this fixes it, huh?
Because that's the.
Now we did check fuses. None of them were blown. So this is the only thing that we can do, you know. So hopefully it fixes it. Hopefully this video is helpful, and let's go. Now that yaw sensor, boy, I looked all over the internet. The only place I could find it was in the service manual. Couldn't find the location of it. I had people tell me that it was under the driver's seat, and they were right actually, but it was not only under the driver's seat, because I was just looking, you know, over the carpet. It's under the carpet, guys. We'll show you. We'll definitely show you how to locate it and exchange it for a new part. This VSA, this yaw sensor failure, it's an expensive one if you buy it brand new, but you know us, it's Dos Locos Garage. We went straight to the junkyard and we found 2 or 3 of these vehicles, and we purchased 3 yaw sensors for about, let's see, I think it was a total of $60, so $20 a piece. And you already know, man, we're gonna go ahead and change this out and see if it works, because this VSA light, man, is one of the biggest issues in these Acura TSXs. First gen, definitely something that everybody has dealt with if you had one of these cars. If not, I mean, you're one of the lucky ones. But there can be a bunch of things that bring this light turns it on. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fix it. This is what it looks like. Sensor assembly yaw and G, one axis, I guess it's G forces that it measures. So I guess it's for body roll. Made in Japan, original. We got it from the junkyard, so it is gonna be original. We actually got another one here. Just gonna try it out and see what happens, man. See, hopefully it just fixes it. If not, we're gonna have to go in and diagnose. But yeah, that pesky VSA light, man, I'm telling you, this is it. First things first, guys, disconnect the battery. Just disconnect the battery. I like to disconnect both cables. I'm just paranoid like that. Oh, sorry. I'm just paranoid like that, so I disconnect both. both cables because that's how I am. I'm very precautious when I do things. Same thing with my boy Anderson. Well, you know what? Anderson's a risk taker. Anderson, you're a risk taker, right?
Yep.
Yep, he's a risk taker. Check this out. So disconnect the battery. First step. That's easy. It's an easy step, guys. Easy. Alrighty, let's move on. Next step.
14.
What is it?
14 millimeters.
14 millimeter. Take out the seat. That's the next step, guys. How many screws is it gonna be, Anderson?
It's gonna be 4.
4 screws to take out the to unbolt the seat from the unibody. And then there's gonna be some cables you have to disconnect, of course. And then we move on from there.
But you gotta make sure we're gonna have to connect the battery back because the seat is all the way back, so you're not gonna have no room to get those.
Oh, first mistake.
Bolt.
It's all good. So we're gonna have to put it back so we can go ahead and what is it? Move the seat all the way forward to take out the screws.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So yeah, remember to do that, guys. That's our first mistake. But you know what? This is what the video is about. The seat forward, so you can go ahead and gain access to those screws back there. And bam. Boom. There's something back there. Actually, this one's missing a bolt.
Really?
Yeah, they're missing the bolts. So I guess somebody was messing with this seat already.
The seat, the bolt is.
Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Just kidding, guys. This is Dos Locos. That's why they call us that. Somos Lo Loco. You see that? We accessed it by taking off that little plastic cover. There's another one on the other side. See if we can see it. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, you get the point. Here's the other one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this carpet is a little dirty, Anderson. What do you think we clean it, huh? While the seat is out, maybe? Maybe not. Alrighty. Now we're gonna unplug the battery again. He's gonna go up there and plug it. Do what it do. And yeah, let's keep on rolling.
If you want to, you can take the seat off the car.
Out of the car.
Yeah, out of the car. So, and you have more room to work.
If you want to.
If you want to, you just.
Or you can just push
lean
it.
it back. But I think it's something that gotta be holding. I think the best idea is to get him out.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
disconnect. What are we gonna disconnect up here?
The plug.
There's some plugs for the heated seats and all the extra fancy stuff. And I guess there's an airbag in that. Is there an airbag in that shoulder?
Yep.
So yeah. There we go. Disconnect all that. That's why we disconnected the battery. We don't want to be messing with that stuff. Be safe. Better be safe. It's better to be safe than sorry.
So
that's it. It's disconnected. Nothing's connected to the seat. And just proceed to pull the seat out as best as you can. Anderson, you need some help there, buddy? Is it heavy? You've been working out, so. Oh. So the seat is out. Oh. So the seat is out. And now we have space to work. Check this out. I can go in here. Now we have a Maybach. Ooh, spacious.
now we're gonna go ahead and
remove some of this carpeting, which is super dirty, man.
just pick this side up. You need to have access to a little 10mm bolt right here.
10mm bolt. It's right there next to this little vent thing that's there. guys get the point. This is gonna come out.
Yeah, it's hard because it's tight. The carpet is not gonna move nowhere.
Unless we remove the whole thing, which we're definitely
You
not
can leave
gonna
the
do.
cover inside. I believe that.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That is it, guys. That was easy. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Unplug it. Disconnect it from that bracket. And we're gonna replace with a new one. And we're gonna be back when we're gonna start. Might as well just stay. There it goes, the old yaw sensor. Remove the 10mm bolts that hold it onto that bracket. And let's see.
Guys, this part is it's expensive.
It's an expensive one, man. If you look, there's different prices, man. I don't know if it's because there's aftermarket ones, but the one that I saw, the cheapest one I saw online was like $380, if I'm not if I can remember correctly. But they go up to like $800, $900 for this little piece of technology. Hey guys, here we go. We put back the little 10mm bolts. We're gonna put this last one, the one that goes back here again, the one that holds it this way, I guess. What do you think, Anderson? Is it gonna work?
I believe it. That's the code. We'll replace the part. Let's bring the seat back in here and plug and play to see what happened.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as you can see, no more VSA Light. Turn it on, Anderson. And
No
that
more
is
jangle.
it. Ladies and gentlemen, tire pressure monitor light is on, but everything else is done. How do you feel, Anderson? So we forgot one little part though. In order to reset the light, we have to do a little jump the pin number 9 in the OBD2 sensor port here. Sorry, Corona. Corona. Anyway, jump pin 9 to the ground, to any ground that you find, a good ground, and then with the ignition off, turn on the ignition. The ABS light is gonna flash one time. It's gonna turn off. Press the VSA button once, and then let it go, and then it should flash again. The VSA light. Press it again, and then when it flashes again, let it go, and the light should flash. The triangle light plus the VSA light should flash, and then it's gonna go away. And that's what happened. And we drove it around, and it seems like it's a fix. So thank you for watching us. Stay tuned. We'll update you if anything else happens with this VSA light, but it should be fixed. And subscribe, like, share, tell your friends about this video if they're having this issue, especially all my TSXers out there. Let them know.
TSX community.
TSX community, right?
Yep.
Peace out.